What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Aranda here, and I'm back with another video. So in this video, I'll be going over the GFS and American model, well, the European model, on what to expect this upcoming weekend into sometimes next week as well, to see if there's going to be any severe weather outbreak, whether it's snow or heavy snow, tornado outbreak. Regardless, now I would say it looks like parts of North Carolina, including eastern North Carolina, is most likely locked in for some thunderstorms this weekend. Well, Monday actually, throughout the day and throughout the night potentially. So let's see if the GFS and European models hold on to that. So according to the weather app, it is saying that it's possible 100% chance of thunderstorms Monday during the daytime, and then at that night 90% chance of rain. So you're just gonna have to see how that unfolds, if it sticks with it. So this is as of 8 a.m. April 9th, which is today. Well, no, which is for tomorrow, Saturday, April 9th. And we look like we're gonna have some shower activity across South Carolina, Georgia, Alabama, including Mississippi. Southern Mississippi getting some good amount of rain. Just around that Jackson area, could see some potentially light rain showers, and it might get heavier depending on where this track goes when we move this forward. Over Louisiana, we do have moderate to heavy rainfall falling in eastern Texas as well, and back towards central Texas we do have shower activity. Over Montana, we do have moderate rainfall across the central part of the state. Cold front all the way up here over just northeast of North Dakota, and also impacting states like Michigan as well. So we can go ahead and move that forward. Coming in by 2 p.m. May 9th, we can see some showers going across from the triangle of North Carolina all the way out to the Outer Banks, all the way down there towards Wilmington, stretching down into Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, all of South Carolina actually, down there into Georgia. Atlanta might see some showers as well. Central part of Alabama, south, you guys could see some moderate to heavy rainfall in some areas. And Mississippi, same thing. We have some light showers just along that state line of Tennessee and Mississippi. That Jackson area might get into some rain as well. All of Louisiana still dealing with a potential washout, and including western Texas, well, eastern Texas as well. We do have some light snow up in this region right here. West Coast is still quiet, not much activity, any moisture being shown around this area. So I wouldn't be surprised if this holds on. We can start seeing fire danger across the West Coast, especially if it's going to be hot. Cold front is still up here near the northern part of the United States, north central part of the United States, going into Canada, bringing some light snow up here in central Canada. And then we have a low pressure kind of along that close to the border of the United States and Canada, bringing a rain snow mix into Canada. We do have a rain going across the northeast, including Pennsylvania. We can include New York City in that as well, Massachusetts as well, by 2 p.m. Tomorrow. And down there in Florida, it's pretty quiet. We see some showers probably just south of Florida. See that rise up into Florida? It don't, but just around that Jacksonville area, just east of Jacksonville, Florida, you could see, and south of them, you could see some rain showers as well. We do still have some rain showers going on from that Jacksonville area in North Carolina all the way out to the Outer Banks of Southeast Virginia. So basically kind of along that Highway 17 line in North Carolina, not including Wilmington. Now, Wilmington could see some showers as well, but for the most part, that might not really be the concern there by 8 p.m. tomorrow night. So we could see some lingering showers from that Highway 17 going into Virginia. Then we also do have that washout potentially up north for the northeast, including New York City. I wouldn't be surprised if flood watches or advisories going to be issued sometime tonight or tomorrow for up north, including New York City. Cold front trying to move a little bit further south for America, but it don't look like that's going to be too much of a concern for us down here in the southeast and in deep south as well. West Coast is still pretty warm and quiet. Not much moisture, no moisture is being shown over here, so we do have to watch out for that. Georgia could still see some rainfall. Central Alabama could. Most of Mississippi could, including Jackson might get into that higher amounts of rain, well, heavier amounts of rain, and then including Louisiana as well. Moving into 2 a.m. May 10th, we still have the cold front ongoing up here in the northern part of the United States. We could see some rain showers from anywhere from that Brunswick County area in North Carolina down through eastern South Carolina, down to central Georgia. Probably going to impact Atlanta, maybe. central Alabama and central Mississippi. Light showers back towards Texas. West Coast still pretty quiet. Heavy rainfall along that uh, United States and Canadian border right there. Now it looks like that rain do get a little bit more stronger, a little bit more widespread along the coast. Well, just along the coast, well, off the coast of South Carolina and North Carolina by 5 a.m. May 10th. Bringing some rainfall just south of Wilmington for New Hanover County, not yet into Pender or Onslow County in North Carolina just yet. Going across central South Carolina, central Georgia, and northern part of Alabama as well. Then that breaks off for a bit for most of the Carolinas. So seeing some back end showers across South Carolina, but North Carolina is pretty dry. Scattered rain showers around that New Bern area in North Carolina by 2 p.m. May 10th. If that plays out, that might happen. And we could see some showers and potentially some light thunderstorms across, let's say, areas like Oklahoma, along that state line of Texas. Mississippi can see some rain showers as well. We move that forward a little bit more. By 8 p.m. May 10th, that storm get a little bit more stronger over Oklahoma. And we need to watch out because Oklahoma just a few weeks ago had an EF4 that stayed on the ground for about 30 minutes long. So that's what we're going to have to watch out for Oklahoma. Mississippi and Alabama and parts of Georgia, including Atlanta, could see some moderate rainfall, including Louisiana as well. Arkansas could see some rain showers working its way potentially into North Carolina, South Carolina, and it actually did. By 2 a.m. May 11th, we've seen some widespread showers going across parts of North Carolina, including the Raleigh, Durham, Cary area, including Charlotte as well, seeing some of that. Wake Forest, like, gonna be seeing some of that too. That Wilmington, Jacksonville area would be seeing some rain showers. Not quite yet to Greenville or the Outer Banks. We do have rainfall just along the Outer Banks though. But I mean, your time to shine is going to be coming pretty soon throughout May 11th, like after maybe 8 in the morning, possibly. You're just going to have to see if the GFS says that might be correct. Through central, well, all of Georgia, except for southern Georgia, is seeing some moderate to heavy rainfall, potentially some thunderstorms in some spots, including Alabama as well. Northern Mississippi is pretty dry, but you guys might get some rain later on. From Jackson to south, all the way down towards Biloxi, Mississippi, you can see some rain showers as well. Northern Louisiana could see some moderate to heavy rainfall. Potentially a strong thunderstorm could be ongoing for that area. Let's go ahead and highlight right here and just see Texas and southeastern Oklahoma. You guys can see some severe thunderstorms in that general region right there I just circled. Potentially tornadoes is possible. West Coast still pretty quiet. It works its way through Louisiana, Mississippi, and then it kind of like try to weaken. Widespread rain from anywhere from all the way off the coast of Canada, stretching all the way down through New York, through Virginia, through North Carolina, and through South Carolina, through Georgia, all the way down here where we start getting that severe weather potential for not quite for Alabama, but it is possible for that little area right there, Mississippi and northern Louisiana. Then it brings two low pressures, a low pressure along the state line off the coast of North Carolina and Virginia, and then also have a low pressure between that state line of Mississippi and Alabama and Georgia brings some severe weather as well. Going into May 11th, sorry about that, by 8 p.m. Low pressure still hanging off the coast of Virginia now. Potentially going to be windy along this side into the Atlantic potentially. So make sure you guys, if you guys being on boats or anything like that, make sure you're cautious about that. But we could have a severe weather or some strong thunderstorms go across areas like the southern part of, let's see, North Carolina, well, around that Wilmington area, and then through South Carolina and Georgia as well. Then we move that forward, and it seems pretty quiet going into the United States or later on to next week. Now we could have a severe weather outbreak in this general region right here with a low pressure, and it seems like it's strengthened and potentially going to impact the Northeast. Ohio might be a state that get impacted as well. Potential tornado activity, and then we could watch around 2 a.m. May 18th of something happening along this area as well. This energy might connect with the ones up here, and it could cause a widespread severe weather outbreak, potential tornado outbreak as well. Then it starts going to central Texas eastward, and then also through Louisiana, breaks off and brings some light severe weather possibly for North Carolina as well. At first, I thought this was blue down here. I'm like, whoa, we should not be having no snow down here in Florida in the middle of spring, getting approaching summer. So yeah, that's the end of the run for the GFS. We can go ahead and hop to the European. Might not be too different, but we can just compare the two models for a second here. And it looks like let's go about yeah, 5 a.m. for May 8th, right here. Not quite much going on across the United States. Cold front will be up here, up north, just north of Virginia, impacting states like New Hampshire, Vermont, Massachusetts, New York City, New Jersey, Pennsylvania, those areas as like that. Possible scattered thunderstorms across Texas and into Mexico. It starts getting going by 11 a.m. through Louisiana, and then it starts getting through Mississippi, Alabama. It starts to crank up once again after weakening through Mississippi, and then it gets a little bit more widespread through Alabama, Georgia. Potentially might bring some hail just south of Atlanta, and then going into South Carolina, and then it starts to get unorganized once it gets towards North Carolina. So we're gonna have to either watch that Fayetteville area, that Wilmington area. You're just gonna have to watch out to see if anything happened around that time. Then it seemed like it just be pretty quiet, except right here. Gonna have to watch that 8 a.m. by May 11th. This could be a potential severe weather outbreak. We move that forward even more, and it's stretching anywhere from Jacksonville, Florida, all the way up to the northeast. But really, that severe weather is gonna be from North Carolina down to Jacksonville, Florida, with that low pressure over minor area in North Carolina along that coastal part, and it hangs off and it continues. And then it tries to get a little bit more stronger out in the sea, but it just stays away. And then it seemed like the United States quiet down a little bit, and this energy seemed like it's trying to push towards Florida. So you're just gonna have to watch out for that and see why is it getting pushed towards Florida from the Atlantic like that, while we got some exiting up here towards the northeast. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it's a little quicker than usual, but I hope make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell to be notified each and every time your boy upload a new video. And I'll see you guys in the next one. If it's God's will, stay safe out there, and it's your boy Arande out.